Alright, this video is about how to identify the different semi-truck transmissions and how the shift patterns work. Now a lot of new trucks are going to automatics, but a lot of them still have the manuals, thank God. They get up to speed a little bit quicker, and in my opinion, they're a little bit easier to control in adverse weather. There are a couple different ones, and the most common seems to be the 13 speed, which is pretty much common on just general over-the-road trucks. It gives you good low gear ratios, but it's not too confusing to drive, so rookies can do it. The next one is 13 speeds and 15 speeds, which are generally only used for heavy haul, 15 speed especially, but 18 speed you use for over-the-road a lot. And then the next one is 10 speed, which is really simple to shift but doesn't give you a whole lot of power. It's good for big companies and their drivers, if you know what I mean. Now the first one is a 10 speed, and this is how you identify it. It just has this high-low range switch, and they call that a range. And you go through the 5 speeds in the low gear and then flip it up, and then you go through the other 5 speeds in high gear. That's basically it. It's very easy to understand. And like I said, that's the advantage to the 10 speed is it's really simple. You can't really screw it up, and it's good for a lot of big companies. Next one I think is the most common. It's a 13 speed, and you can identify it with this red splitter and the range selector. Now that splitter will split the top gears. So you're going to go through the low gears like a 5 speed, and here's where it gets confusing. You're going to go through the top gears like a 4 speed, shift into one gear, and then hit the splitter for high and low range of that individual gear. Then go back to low and go back to the next gear and repeat the process 8 times. Now, next one is an 18 speed, and a lot of people think the 18 speed is a whole lot unique. It's basically just a 13 speed where you could split the lower gears. So, like I said earlier, you can drive the lower gears like a 5 speed and split the lower gears, and then you can go in the high range and you split those top 4 gears. And it's easily identified with this gray splitter switch instead of the red one, which is for the 13 speed. Now the next one is the least common, unless you're doing like real heavy hauls. Sometimes dump trucks will have it, or quarry trucks will have it, and that's a 15 speed. Now, I'm a little bit confused about this. I'm not entirely sure how it works, but from my understanding is you go through the low gears and just like a 5 speed. And then you switch to the high range to go through all the gears again like a 5 speed. And then you hit the splitter forward into high range, so you're in high, and then you go through the gears yet again like a 5 speed. And that'll give you basically the lowest gear ratios, theoretically, out of all these different transmissions. And it's identified with this blue splitter